Hey friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. I'm so glad you're here because today is a very special video. Today we're announcing the winners to our DIY Altered Mini Notebooks birthday giveaway. But first I'd like to remind you that it's our official Decorate Your Life 2025 Brand Ambassador Call. If you love crafting, sharing, and inspiring others, we would love to have you on our team. You can learn more about the requirements and how to apply using the link in the description box below.
Cut and fold, a ribbon curl, a little joy in our crafty world. Paper dreams and lacy trims, let's create on heartfelt whims.
First off, I hope you've all been having fun getting creative with your scrapbooking, journaling, and all things paper crafting. I want to say thank you to everyone who entered. I loved reading your sweet comments and seeing which handmade mini notebooks and coordinating paper packs you were hoping to win. This community is truly something special, and it means the world to me that we can all come together through our shared love of embellishments, die cuts, and pretty scrapbook paper. If your channel name is displayed on the screen, please send me a message within 5 business days to claim your prize. You can find my contact info in the description area below. If I don't hear from you in that time, I may need to choose a new winner or donate the prize to a local cause that supports crafting and creativity. Thank you again to everyone who took part in this small and cute giveaway. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave me a crafty comment, and stay tuned. Because there are always more crafty giveaways, tutorials, project shares, and new scrapbook paper collection reveals just around the corner. Keep crafting, keep shining, keep making something beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.
Paper strings and more at Decor8yourlife.com tonight. Decorate your life, come join, be part, be seen. Let's create with kindness in every little scene. And if you love what you see, leave a like and share with glee. Subscribe, comment, let us know what crafty dreams you'll start to grow. Decorate your life.